Okay, so this is the standard breakdown on a shock to clean it or to check for maintenance on what needs to be replaced. It's all very easy to disassemble. All you have to do is just loosen this collar right here with an Allen wrench, bring it up. Then you will have this piece right here. This is the bottom shock retainer right there. It's going to slide in and then settle down in the bottom. And then before you put that on, you're going to have your primary spring right here. This is always going to be the biggest one. You're going to have your secondary spring right here. And then you're going to have your slider. This one's busted. This is why you always check for maintenance, because I didn't even know this was busted till I pulled the shock apart. So how the shock goes together is you're just going to throw your helper spring, secondary spring up top, throw your slider on between them, throw your primary spring, and then at the end you just got your locking collar, and that's it.